Biz2X India office, located at the heart of the city of Noida, we are proud to be a people-first organization. Being a leading fintech company, Biz2X promotes a healthy work-life balance for its employees. The workspaces are designed in such a way that every employee meets and learns from each other rather than being secluded. We wish our employees to push their potential to the maximum and during their journey with us also learn and upskill the most. In the state-of-the-art office workspace, we provide ample opportunities for our employees to take power break. Our cafeteria is always open for leisure and short breaks. We don't want our employees to shy away from taking a short break from their work. Biz2X is always a step ahead when it comes to the health of its employees. We encourage our employees to take extra good care of their health and make sure they stay active. Biz2X is hence proud to announce that it was awarded Great Place to Work in March 2022. We strive to make each day special for every employee in the organization, professionally and personally.